Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to evaluate a Salesforce developer career. If you're considering whether this path is right for you, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps to explore what the role actually involves, what skills you'll need, and whether it matches your interests and strengths. First, you need to open the correct trail. Head over to your browser and type trailhead.salesforce.com into the address bar. Once you're on the Trailhead homepage, look for the search box at the top of the page and click on it. Type in Explore Core Salesforce Developer Responsibilities and hit Enter from the search results. Click on the trail with that exact title. This trail is specifically designed to give you a comprehensive overview of what Salesforce developers do day to day. Now that you're on the trail page, it's time to understand what developers actually do. Scroll down until you see the section titled Learn About the Salesforce Developer Role. Here you'll find bullet points that break down the core responsibilities, the skills developers need, and the tools and technologies they work with regularly. Take a few minutes to read through these points carefully. As you read, ask yourself whether these responsibilities sound interesting and energizing to you. Are you drawn to problem solving, building on a platform, and working with both tools and code? Your honest answer here is crucial. Next, let's check how much CRM and business focus is involved in this career. Scroll further down to find the section titled Dive into Salesforce CRM. Read through how the trail teaches you to use customer relationship management, customize Sales Cloud, and build simple apps on the Salesforce platform. This is important because Salesforce development isn't just pure coding, it's deeply connected to business processes. Ask yourself if you're comfortable working closely with business teams, customers, and sales or service departments while building solutions. If working in a business context doesn't appeal to you, this might not be the right fit. Now let's see how much clicks not code work is involved. Scroll to the section titled Start with Declarative Development. Here you'll read about objects, fields, relationships, pick lists, filters, and formulas that are done with clicks rather than code. This is a unique aspect of Salesforce development. Decide whether you like the idea of mixing configuration work with actual coding, rather than writing code 100% of the time. Some developers love this balance, while others prefer pure programming. Finally, evaluate the long-term skill set required. Scroll to the section titled About this trail and read how this trail builds skills in programming languages, configuration management, system design, app development, and engineering practices. This role requires you to learn both technical skills like programming and engineering practices, as well as design skills like system and app design. Decide whether you're willing to invest time in developing this broad skill set. By following these steps, you've now thoroughly evaluated whether a Salesforce developer career aligns with your interests and goals. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.